Hi guys, welcome back to Black Lion Financial. Today, let's talk about how you can potentially make up to $300 per day using a very simple, popular method online. We all want to make money online from the comfort of our own homes, and today I want to show you how you can do just that. But first, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any daily uploads or updates teaching you how to make money online. Okay, so we are going to learn how to make money from a site called Teespring.com. Teespring.com is a print-on-demand website which you can earn money for selling t-shirts. You don't need any experience to do this, and you can get started completely for free. You don't have to be a world-renowned artist to create your designs either. In fact, you can outsource the design part of the work to a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork. But let's go more in detail about this website. And remember, stay until the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of the steps. It's not just t-shirts. You can sell phone covers, mugs, leggings, and many more different items using designs that you upload to Teespring. They create a virtual listing. People buy your product. Teespring prints the product and ships it. They take care of everything. That's right. The only work you're really doing is coming up with the designs. It's so simple, and tens of thousands of people are using this very method to make thousands of dollars every single week. Some of the top selling sellers on this website are actually making millions of dollars every year. The opportunities here are endless. Just imagine making that kind of money for doing a few hours of work. They deal with all of the customer service costs. You just upload and sit back for orders. You can create dozens of designs every single day. You can use free sites like Canva to practice the design, which I will link in the description for you. So what's great about this method is that Teespring is not the only site you can use to sell these designs. You can also use Amazon. Amazon has a program called Merch by Amazon. You can take the designs from Teespring and use Amazon to promote the product on there too. It works the exact same way. You upload to Merch by Amazon and they take care of all the costs. All you're doing is designing simple designs and making a profit. You never need to hold any stock or worry about inventory. You just set your prices accordingly and watch the money roll in. Sign up for both of these accounts today and start earning money straight away. The whole process is fast, even if you have no design skills. If you look through the Teespring website, you'll see such simple designs can still sell so many products. It's a great way to earn money online, especially for you creative folk out there. Thanks for watching. You want to make passive income online? Then remember to subscribe and check out our other videos on the channel so you can start living your dream life. Until next time, aim high.